Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you my Grove collaborative haul under quarantine. And if you guys would like to see what I got, just keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am doing my Grove collaborative haul. They are still shipping, you guys. They got some antibacterial things on there. Some of it, the stuff was sold out, so I am on the wait list, and you can be too. If you guys are interested in Grove collaborative, I will leave the link down below. You guys can get a 5 free piece gift set if you just use my link down below, and yeah, on your first order. Guys, since we are under quarantine, I just want to let you guys know that there are still shipping. If you guys are interested, if you need cleaning products that are sold out at the stores, this is a good way to go. Their products are not all 99% bacteria or anti-bac, but they do have some, which I do show you guys. If you guys watch my previous videos, you would know that I love antibacterial. The Method cleaner is the best. I have not tried 7 Generations yet. I was trying to get it this time, but of course it is sold out because, you know, this thing that's going around. So I purchased some new scents on here, so if you guys are interested, just keep on watching. So you guys, they got 2 new scents. It is rose and fresh cut grass scent. This is new, I have not smelled it yet, and I'm kind of excited. It looks like this, and this one looks like this. You know, you guys know I love Method. I meant Method. Of course I love Method, but I meant Mrs. Myers. Guys, I wiped down everything when I took it out the box. I took it out the box with gloves on. And just in case, you never know, I'm just like that. I've been like that ever since I was an adult. Even when I was a child, like a teenager, I was like that. So anyways, this is their new scent. Let me smell it for you guys. It smells exactly like fresh cut grass. It's so funny. I was just interested in the way it smells because Mrs. Myers, their scent smells so good, so I just wanted to smell it. It smells good, even though it does smell like fresh cut grass. It smells really good, and you know their cleaning products are non-toxic, so yeah, I like it. I mean, it's like weird. It's like weird to me because it does smell like fresh cut grass, but I really do like it. Next scent I got, you guys, is whoa, that's almost fell out of my hand. It's rose. I got it in. Oh, okay, I didn't even show you guys. I got it in the dish soap of the fresh cut grass, and I got it in the multi-surface cleaner. And I also got the whole set of the rose scents, even though I have not smelled it, but I know I love the scent of rose. I got the multi-surface, the dish soap, and also got the hand soap. Looks like this. I'm gonna smell it. If you guys know, if you watch my previous videos, I smell everything only because, you know, sometimes it smells different. One is stronger, one is lighter, you know, than the other. So, wow, it smells like a rose, just like a rose. I'm not even playing. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. Wow, that smells freaking good. Like, it smells really, really good. They do, okay, so the scent of the multi-surface and the dish soap smells the same. They all smell the same, so that's good. This smells really, really good. Oh my gosh, okay, so I'm excited I got it. The next thing I got is the stone tray. I always wanted one, but this was so cute that I couldn't pass it up. It looks like this in the box. And don't worry, you guys, I wipe down everything. You hear me? I'm just showing you guys so you can see that I'm unpacking it, but everything was been wiped off. So yeah, it's like a cute little small plate that got, oh, I'm just throwing everything on the floor. It's a cute little plate that got, like, you know, flowers on it. It looks like this. This is gonna go in my kitchen. I really do like this. I'm so excited. I finally got one of these. I wanted a tray for a long time. It's just that I was like, I don't know where I would put it. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just put this somewhere in my kitchen. I know it'll be so pretty because it's so cute. It's like spring. And I'm also gonna use it, you know, for summer. The next thing that I got is this European dishcloths, which is very weird. I mean, it feels like, let me show you. It looks like that, and it feels weird. I never cleaned with this. To just add water to this set of floor dishcloths. Perfect for cleaning dishes and wiping up spills. Durable, reusable, limited edition cherry blossom print. Okay, so I guess I have to just add water. I'll let you guys know how this is, how it turns out. I hope it's good. I have no idea. This is my first time using this, but I don't know. We'll see. And the last but not least, I never tried this before. I wanted to try it because I heard great things about it. This is at Fanny's Clean and Vinegar Healthier Household Housekeeping in a scent lavender. It looks like this. I heard really good things about it. This is still on the Grove site, you guys, so use the link down below because I've seen it, because this is going to be in my next order for next month. I really don't like cleaning with vinegar scents because I can't stand the smell. The smell to me, I don't know, it's just too strong. So let me see how this smells. I don't know. I don't clean with vinegar like that. Wow. Okay, I can still smell the vinegar because I have like my nose. I can smell everything, but it's not strong. So thank God. It does smell like lavender. So thank you for that. So I don't know how it cleans. Like I said, I heard great things about it, so it made me want to buy it and see for myself. So I don't know how it cleans yet, so you know, I will see how it is and let you guys know when I do my next Grove Collaborative haul. Let you guys know if I want to repurchase it or not. But you guys know I love Mrs. Meyer's. Like, I cannot. Mrs. Meyer's and Method, I have to order. Like, they did not have my anti-bag. Thank God I do stock up on it. This is why I buy from Grove Collaborative, because they have some things in stock. Now, if they're out, I am on the wait list, and you can be too. Just put wait list, and as soon as they get it, they will let you know and you can order it. So I'm waiting on the anti-bag Method, anti-bag, any scent. I really don't care really right now, even though my favorite scent is bamboo. I don't care which scent it is. I just need the anti-bag Method. And I'm also waiting on the hand sanitizers. They said they'll get that back in 2 to 3 days. So check out the site, you guys, if you need your cleaning products. These are good still, even though they're not really antibacterial at all. But at the same time, it's to clean your house with. So if you guys are interested, like I said, I'm gonna leave the link down below. You get a 5 free-piece gift set. So you know, I love, if you watch my channel, you know that I love Grove Collaborative anyway. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And please be safe and stay indoors. Bye, you guys.